Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, search bar not working in Windows 11, 4 proven fixes. First method is press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape keys. Restart Windows Explorer. Second method is press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape keys. Third method is Windows and R keys. Fourth method is Windows and R keys. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.